Hi, today for the new Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So first let's open the settings and then scroll down to additional settings. Here click to accessibility and tap to accessibility to the screen recorder section, and you'll see here the video quality section. Just to change the video quality of your screen recordings, you should select one from these available qualities. Also, we get one more way how we could launch the screen recorder settings. Just open the control panel and find somewhere here screen recorder icon. Hold for a while this icon, and by this way you will launch the same screen recorder settings, and to change video quality select one from these available qualities. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.